Hello friends, welcome to Shurasa's classes. Today we discuss about the Joint Entrance Main 2013 paper. This is the question from the board atomic model. So we are trying to solve this question. So let's see the question. In a hydrogen-like atom, electron makes transition from an energy level with quantum number n to another with quantum number n minus 1. Here, the transition is between n to n minus 1. If n is double greater than 1, the frequency of radiation emitted is proportional to what? So, we know the formula which is related to energy and the frequency, which is related to energy and frequency nu. The formula is delta E is equals to h nu. Here nu is frequency, h is Planck constant, and E is change in energy. So now we can write the frequency. Nu is equals to del E divided by h, the change in energy divided by Planck constant. So this equals to, here now we can write as this energy is proportional to 1 by n square. So we take any constant k. Here we take any constant k. This is the any constant k into, here the transition is between n to n minus 1. Transition is between n to n minus 1. So for this, now we can write this constant k into this 1 by, here this is n to n minus 1 transition. So this is 1 by n minus 1 whole square, as this is proportional to 1 by n square minus 1 by n square. So this equals to, this can be written as this k 2n divided by n square into n minus 1 whole square. So this near equals to this 2k divided by n cube. So nearly equals to the 2k divided by n cube, as if we take this n minus 1 as n square, if we take this n minus 1 is n square, then n square into n square, this means n to the power 4, and this, so this is here in the this numerator there is a n, so this 2k divided by n cube is proportional to 1 by n cube. So this frequency is proportional to, this frequency is proportional to 1 by n cube. So here for this question we have the frequency of radiation emitted is proportional to 1 by n cube. This is the option D. So if you have any query regarding this question or any question of JEE Main, you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 93076. You can WhatsApp us or contact us in this number. So that's all for today. Thank you.